Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news inflation's track has everyone's attention everywhere. But first, US jobless claims rose last week by 235,000, which was a small but significant rise and might signal the start of a weakening labour market there. And staying in the US, we probably should note that despite the high drama, headline-grabbing brinkmanship surrounding their debt limit and resulting extraordinary measures, their bond markets remain very calm, with Treasury issues trading normally and ignoring the Congressional theatre. Fitch Ratings has revised its forecast for China's economic growth in 2023 to 5% from 4.1% previously, reflecting evidence that consumption and activity are recovering faster than initially anticipated. And China will announce its January CPI inflation later today, and it is expected to be at 2.2% and up from 1.8% last month. Taiwanese inflation rose by more than expected. To be fair, it is only from 2.7 to 3% in January, so still very low in the global context. And their wholesale price growth actually fell in January from December, from 7.1% to 5.6%, so the consumer price change may only be just noise. And German inflation came in lower than anticipated at 8.7% when a rise to 8.9% was expected. Again, these are small shifts and probably not really indicating that inflation is shifting lower there yet. A work in progress considering it peaked at 10.4% in October in Germany. And global container shipping freight rates were little changed again last week and remain well below their 10-year average levels, and a huge drop from the pandemic spike. There is no sign of them turning up anytime soon. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 3.60% and down 8 basis points from this time yesterday. Rate inversions are now getting serious. And the price of gold will open today at $1,873 an ounce and down another $2 from this time yesterday. And oil prices start today little changed at just under $78 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just over $84 a barrel. They fell away in between, but are now back almost to yesterday's levels. And the Kiwi dollar was up 20 basis points at 63.5 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're up to the same at 91.2 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're up slightly more at 59.1 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 70.7 and 30 basis points higher than yesterday. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.